Hello. Can you hear me? Let me just check this one. Yeah, the sound is coming. Okay, so yeah, hello everyone. So today is 1st of November, and already as we have discussed in our, even like in yesterday's video, I have completely told you what my positions were, and also I have shown you in the morning also what actually like I had those positions. Okay, so many can think that yes, everyone can say anything on video on Twitter. Anyone can say that I have these positions, I have that positions. I clearly stated what was my average price, and you saw today that is the average. My average price of shorting 18,000 was at 102 point something, and today it came down to the 40s level. Okay, so then I closed everything because we already have these events. So today there is an US event, not an Indian, but Fed rate interest decision. So again 75 basis points can increase. Again the US markets are not behaving very well. So but the effect is not clearly getting reflected in XGX Nifty. So XGX Nifty has made a high of around 314. Okay, but as you can see, the US markets are down. So that's the thing, like market will be volatile. So what you are expecting, so I mean anything can happen. So don't just expect one thing. Both side moves are going to come. And again on 3rd of November you have this RBI monetary policy, and on 3rd of November we also have our expiry. So again this expiry is going to be very volatile. So please stay cautious, and let's begin our discussion. So first of all, here as you can see, Nifty score was showing strength from the very beginning. Okay, and then Nifty here came, Nifty score came into the neutral zone at around here. As you can see, the score started decreasing. Okay, and finally, though it went to the negative zone, but again recovered. But Nifty wasn't showing that much of weakness today. But if you look at the BankNifty score in the morning was showing weakness. So in the morning itself, short positions were made in BankNifty. Call short positions were made in BankNifty, and that was done at 41,500. Okay, so yes, so BankNifty, if you see, so at 41,500, those positions, the call writing positions were made, and finally, BankNifty was taken down below that. So here, let me open the Telegram channel. Okay, so why it's taking so much time? Yeah, so if you can see here that in the morning 9:16. Okay, so those who made put writing positions yesterday, I told that to go with positional put writing, they were profitable, and I clearly warned everyone that today is Nifty expiry, and again you have to very stay cautious. Like any side move can come because market can be volatile. And 9:20 put writing started at 18,100. Okay, so 9:20. So after 9:20 you can see that Nifty made a very nice move. So 9:20 AM is just this first candle. So just looking at the very first OI data, I concluded this today. Okay, so I mean, like that was just the first OI data which comes before 9:20 at 9:18. So that only you get. Okay. So again, the next OI data comes at 9:21. So 9:20, I said that put writers are active at 18,100, and market was I mean at around 18,100, and this level I clearly told you in yesterday's video, that is 18,090. So okay, so 18,084 or 18,090. So around this level you have this next resistance or support. So morning it took support here and it went up, and it went till, and even during this time at 17,000, 18,150 and 200 also put writers started, and it went to 18,200 and 18,200 sorry 175 almost, I think, here. Okay. So that was the update for like Nifty. So Nifty, if you go at 1 day chart even, so you'll see that there is a resistance here. So the resistance is got today. So if you look at that level, so that level wait here, if you come closer here, so during this period, if you see that many days Nifty, I was checking that later on. So during that period, yeah, during this period also, Nifty got resistance at this level. So if you check here, 109. So, oh, this one, right here. If you can see here, 18,127, and if you come here, so here 18,145. Okay, so if you come a little up, so as you can see 18,170. Okay, so here I mean for these days it took support here, and also this after this market fell down. So so that was, I mean, the intraday resistance, yes, but during that time, but yes, since at even 18,200 put writers were active, so much down move wasn't expected in Nifty. Okay, and yes, Nifty went down, and you can see very well from this support zone, what we have discussed even in this level in yesterday's video, Nifty again recovered. Okay, and now we can see that XGX Nifty is above 18,200. So let's see whether the put writers at 18,200 succeeds. And now the next thing was that, yes, we identified the Bank Nifty resistance point. So you can see 10:20 AM 41,650 was the Bank Nifty resistance zone, and after that Bank Nifty fell more than 400 points, and yes, so that's the thing. And finally I told that I wasn't going for any positional trade today. So that was all the updates. Okay, so now coming to today's analysis. Okay, so let's come to the EOD data of today. So if you can see here that FIIs have done futures long, and also they have done some futures short. Okay, now let's come to the option chain data, which is the most important or the most interesting part today. So the option chain data is showing that huge put writing has been done, and also huge call writing has been done. Okay, I mean huge, you can see like I mean the call writing positions are in huge quantity. So now what do you want to conclude? Like if there is some gap up tomorrow, will you just go and jump and do call writing or what? So the thing, so let's answer this. So call writing has been done, and also you see that like the options buying positions are mainly for the hedging part. Okay, so as you can see, both upside and downside will be limited, and any side move can come. Okay, so expect both the sides move, because tomorrow before the expiry day, the premium will be, they will try to eat premium on both the sides. Okay, so tomorrow's strategy will be to sell on rise as well as buy on dip. Okay, buy on dip, I mean basically like sell on dip, put sell on dip, and above I mean like call sell on rise. Okay, but I would say one more thing, that option buyers don't trade, because it would be very risky, because anytime any side move can come. Okay, so even if you have taken any position, you got your move in just one candle, so just take your profit and just leave, because the next candle can just go against you. Okay, so option buyers, very careful. Option sellers still have time, so I'll show you where FIIs and the big players have done call shots. So yes, so here's the thing, that is, this data shows that now you'll see that the huge number of calls, like the call writing positions are more than the put writing positions. So it's obviously like I mean, it's easy to go with call writing positions, but it's not like that. So these call writing positions may be majorly done in Bank Nifty, okay, but in Nifty it might be like put writing positions. Even you saw today, like in Nifty, I mean, look at the Nifty, I mean, recovered almost like today's high was at around 18,175, and again it recovered till more than 155. So it doesn't matter, like almost Nifty again recovered. But for Bank Nifty, you see, Bank Nifty did not recover much. Like now 41,503, this could act as resistance tomorrow, unless this level is broken. Okay, so as you can see, in the morning, Bank Nifty, we were waiting for this level to break, but after this level broke, we said that this was the resistance level, and it got resistance there and it came down. So again, tomorrow let's see whether first of all 41,503 gets broken or not, because at 41,500 call writing positions have been done. Okay, so that's why you see that though it went up and finally it came down, and it did not recover much. Okay, so it came down and it just went zigzag, and it closed at that region. Okay, so let's go to the option chain. So for the Bank Nifty, I have marked the position, so let me just check my data. So for Bank Nifty, you have these call writing positions at 41,500. Okay, so 41,500. So call writing has been done, and yes, by the big players. So as you can see, there's a very nice premium at 41,500, and since the next resistance is for Bank Nifty is at 41,650, so even like if you want to sell for expiry, so 41,700, you can see there is a very nice premium. And also if you can see, like even if you just want to go to 42,000, which would surely act as some resistance, the thing is, like, it would have to break all-time high. Okay, so like let's go to the 1 month. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it has to break the all-time high, which would also act as resistance. So you can for Bank Nifty, for call writing positions, that would be good. And also if you see some 41,500, also put writers are active. So as I just told, both the sides they have made positions. So I don't think market will move huge on one side, but again, if it moves huge on one side, a huge move will also come on the other side. Okay, so both the sides, expect both the side movement, and don't be in a hurry tomorrow in the morning to take position. Okay, first let the move come, and then whichever side it moves, watch. If it moves higher and higher up, so watch the call writers what they're doing. Okay, if they're still staying in their position, then go for call writing positions, because it would reverse from there. Okay, and if it goes down, again the same thing. So so majorly they are present at 41,500 and also at 41,700. Okay, so these are the positions in Bank Nifty where call writers are present. And if you look at the put writing, so they are also present at 41,500. Okay, and so yeah, Bank Nifty, that's it. Not, I mean, put writing activity is not much there in Bank Nifty. So 41,500, there is some put writing activity, but majorly in Bank Nifty, call writing has been done. Okay, now let's come to Nifty. Okay, so even like when Bank Nifty was falling, I clearly told here, look at this. Yes, 1208. I told before, like it was above 41,500. So I just told that it was going to give exit to the call writers, because the call writers were present there for a very long time, and yes, that's why Bank Nifty was going below 41,500. So yes. And now next, coming to Nifty. Nifty is data is very, very important. So if you see here, for 18,400, okay, so 18,400, you'll notice that the premium is very, very less. Okay, so why would the big players would go and take short positions there? So it's not about that, it's about those big those big guys, okay, who just wants 1% or 2% in just 1 or 2 days. So within two, like if they have taken the position today, so they just need 2 more days to expire. So in 2 days they might gain more than 1% or 1 to 2%, and they are very happy with those, because every Thursday, or there are 50 Thursdays, right? 50 expiries almost in a year. So if you just gain 1% or even 0.5% in all those Thursdays by just shorting out of the money, you are gaining, I mean, a huge return over the year. So yes, the big guys who just wants a small return, they are present at 18,400 call writing positions. Okay, so that's what they are not expecting, that Nifty would cross 18,400. Okay, so within 2 days, by November 3rd, they are not expecting Nifty to cross 18,400. That's one of the thing. And also the next thing is they have taken put writing. The put writing positions are at 18,200, and then 18,150, 18,100, 18,000 also. So here you have all those put writing positions, the huge put writing positions that you are seeing in the EOD data. So all those are here. And as you can now see, even like I told today, that 18,200 put writers are also active. So first in the morning at 9:20, I told 18,100, and then 9:53 I told 18,150, and 18,200 also put writers were active. So yes, here put writers are also active. So please do keep a very close watch. So what if you look at the big guys position, so they are not expecting Nifty to go above 18,400. Okay, and let me just check once my data. So yes, and some of the big FIIs have their positions at 18,200 call writing also. Okay, so the thing is that, but some positions are there, not huge. So the huge positions are at these 18,400 call writing. Huge positions are at 18,400. Okay, as you can see, the OI is also very high. So that's the thing you need to understand. And yes, 18,200 call writers are present, but not in huge quantity. So let's remove that for once. So till 18,200 we have the put writers present. From 18,400 we have huge call writing positions. So the thing is that from 18,200 to 300 or maybe 350 max, the big players are expecting the expiry to happen in Nifty. And so let's see what happens next. So that would be the next thing like to watch for. So 18,400 would be our upper resistance. Now you see that these lines, these levels that I have drawn, so they are multi-days support and resistance. But coming to this level, you won't get much there. So if you are looking at here 18,000. So here there can be, like, if you see here Nifty got resistance, so 18,332. Okay, so tomorrow if there is a gap up again, so be very careful about this. Okay, let me draw it now, so that you remember. So horizontal, because now you have to be very careful, because everyone is shouting for this all-time high thing. So if you see here, so not only here, also here Nifty got resistance at that level. Okay, so the thing is that we would be very careful at around 18,382, or let's take 18,330. Okay, so that's the level to watch for tomorrow. Okay, so that might act as resistance. So 18,300. So again, from 18,200 to 18,300, anything can happen. Or also if it comes down a little further, so from 18,100 to 18,300. So this 200 points, anything can happen. Any move can come all of a sudden on any side. But if this breaks 18,330, then we have to go for higher level. So we would be looking for the all-time high for the next resistance level. But again, just for this expiry, what we are discussing is for just this expiry. So that would be the main thing. Yeah, hi Ravi Kumar. So yes, if you have any questions, you can just comment below. And yes, I have discussed almost all the positions today. So yes, even at 18,100, some big call writers are also trapped. Okay, so 18,100 could be a big, but we have to see closely like what happens at 18,100 tomorrow. But at 18,100 also there is some big players trapped. So let's see, as XGX Nifty is very high, like we are expecting some gap up, and then we'll see if it comes down to 18,100 or not. So that's the thing. And below, yes, 18,000 is looking very safe to go for put writing positions. Those who wants to take very safe put writing positions, 34 premium. So tomorrow expect 25 to 30 as a premium. So or maybe 20. So that would be like if you take the advantage even by buying put and taking the advantage of margin benefit, you can have 2%. Okay, so in 2 days. So yeah, so these are the things which are looking good. And so that's all the things that I wanted to discuss today. So if you can see, like, I mean, advance to decline ratios are almost going at par. So don't expect like a huge fall or a huge up move for now. So both the sides, yes, the movement can come. And yes, I clearly showed you all my positions today, and when I close them. Okay, so if you want such updates, you can follow me on Twitter, or else if you want all these updates, as you saw here, so this is mainly for the Telegram. I mean, this is a private Telegram channel for the members, those who are new, who doesn't know. So you can join that that as well. Yeah, so Bank Nifty I just discussed. I'll just tell now. So Bank Nifty, you see that Bank Nifty so you see, even at 1 day chart, it's perfectly like we discussed this 41,503 level. Okay, so yesterday, just go check the video. I'm not making this level today. So it went up above that, but you see in 1 day chart perfectly acted as resistance. So yes, at let's go to the 5 minute chart. So yes, okay. So at 41,500, the call writers are present in Bank Nifty. And yes, so let me go to the option sheet. Bank Nifty. Yeah, so 41,500 call writers are present. I think I have also told you, told in the Telegram channel, right, Mr. Mondal. I think you are one of the members, so you know, like I have already told that 41,500 call writers were present, and that's why Bank Nifty was going down. So before even like at that time Bank Nifty was above 41,500. So yes, you can just see here resistance at for 41,000 crossing, this one at 1208. Okay, so call writers were present at 41,500. So 1208, if you go and look at Bank Nifty, so let's go to the 15 minutes chart. 1208. So this candle, it was above 41,500. So yes, that was in. Let's go to the option chain. 41,500 is one of the key levels for the call writers, and you have the next. So the next one is at 42,000. Okay, so 42,000 again. Those who wants to like very safely make call shots, so they are present there, and at 41,700 the call writers are present, because at 41,000, but very few call writers are present, but yes, 41,700. So the very first key level is 41,500 where the call writers are present. Okay, so even like today you got the thing that is Bank Nifty did not cross 41,500 after this. Again, if there is some gap up tomorrow in Nifty, again Bank Nifty will have a gap up, but again then we have to check whether what are these call writers are doing. Okay, so sorry. Yeah, hi Bitbull, buy a new Mac for yourself, sir. Yes, so like what happens is like I have these 3 screens. So the one that I am currently doing the live stream, so that's not a MacBook, so that's Windows, as you can see here. So yes, so I already have 3 laptops, so I'm not adding a new one currently. So I'm looking for a trading setup like with 6 monitors and all those things. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for next. And yes, I'm also a little emotionally attached with my gadgets, so I don't very often change them. So yes, that's one of the things. So yeah, account center Tamil, yeah, hi. Bank Nifty outlook, please, sir. So yes, as I just told that the put writing positions that you see, those are mostly in Nifty. Okay, and the call writing positions that you see, those are mostly in Bank Nifty. Okay, yes, in Nifty also there is call writing positions, of course, but again the put writing positions are dominating. Okay, and why this fall came today? So the main thing is first of all, if you just go and check the EOD data of the prop decks, you'll see that they have also done call writing, and let's again check today also. So what they have done, so the prop decks, they have here option index. Okay, so they have done put writing, but not in huge quantity, but call writing, yes, more than put writing, but overall their put writing positions are more. And yes, and in futures they are going short, but not much. And yes, they have also closed some futures long. So futures data is not important till November 3rd, but yes, this is just the starting of the month, so they have the whole month after that. So the thing is that yes, so you see that the prop decks are also like made put writing positions. So these put writing positions I just discussed that they are mainly in Nifty till 18,200. They might again shift to 18,300 or may not shift. So we will have to again identify the new positions. Till now it's mainly from 18,000 to 18,000 or 18,200 and below. Okay, so we identified those even today, as I just showed you here. Where did it go? 10. Yeah, I just showed you that. Where did it go? Put writing, then yeah, here 953 we identified 18,150 and 18,200 put writers were present. So Yes, so that's the thing, and yes, so the if you looked at the put call ratio in Nifty, it went to 1.35, and in Bank Nifty it went to 1.18. Okay, and so everyone was like, almost everyone was bullish, and that's why this correction was indeed required. So that's why the correction came even in Nifty. Like Nifty wasn't like willing to go down, but finally चलो चलते हैं नीचे, फिर आके ऊपर चला गया. ठीक है, तो क्योंकि मतलब निफ्टी में बहुत ही हेवी पुट राइटिंग था और अभी भी है, और बैंक निफ्टी में अभी मतलब कॉल राइटिंग प्रेजेंट है, कॉल राइटर्स 41,500 पे. तो मतलब कल गैप अप होने का चांसेस है, तो फिर अगर गैप अप हुआ इसके ऊपर गया तो फिर हम लोग को कॉल राइटर्स को देखना पड़ेगा क्या हो रहा है. तो यही है. और yes. So yeah, that is basically mostly Bitbull, what you are saying, that is mostly like for the humans. Okay, so yeah, so you have told resistance is at 41,650 and Bank Nifty reverses from the zone. Yes, Mr. Mondal. So yes, I told that at 41,650 resistance was there. Like even like when it was getting resistance, I told that. Okay, so even if you look at the time, where did it go? 41. First of all, it was having some trouble to even cross 41,500, and then here 1020. Okay, 41,650. Bank Nifty intraday resistance zone. Okay, so 1020, if you can go and see 10, yeah, this candle 1015 to 1030. So here, I mean, it was just around this level. Again, it tried to touch that level again, and then it dropped down. Okay, so I mean, just at almost at the top, you can say, like exactly, if you say that, why not exactly at the top, I don't have anything to say. इधर से भी बंदा पता चल जाए तो क्या खराब है, मतलब आप कॉल राइटिंग कर दो या पुट बाइंग कर दो, कुछ भी, मतलब आपको जो लग रहा है, और फिर नीचे चला गया. मतलब बैंक निफ्टी का साइन पहले से ही था, मतलब सुबह से, मतलब ये बैंक निफ्टी का स्कोर नेगेटिव में था, तो एकदम सुबह मतलब बड़े प्लेयर्स कॉल राइटिंग पोजीशंस बनाए थे, तो फिर अचानक से मतलब बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर चला गया, तो उसको फिर नीचे लेके गया इन लोग, और कुछ नहीं. तो मतलब अगर आप इधर से ही देखो तो मतलब मैंने 1020 को मतलब अपडेट दिया था, तो आप इधर भी देखोगे तो 50 तक स्कोर गया था. देन द स्कोर केम डाउन, आई मीन शार्पली इट केम डाउन, राइट. So you can very well see, like here the major score came down, like from 18 to -3, 1053. So let's see where was Bank Nifty at 1053. So this is the 11 p.m. candle, right? So this is we are looking at 15 minutes charts. This is the 11 p.m. candle. 1053 was this candle. Okay, this candle, and so almost at the peak, and score is sharply dropping. You know what to do then. Okay. So that's how we get the signals. I mean, again, someone would say that the indicator gives signals at a later time, but the thing is that you have to wait for the correct signal. Always, if you want to see that, anytime you come and sit and now I'll trade. Okay, I'll trade the next candle and the indicator will tell me. So my indicator is not like that. So I'm very sorry if you think like that. But yes, if you wait for the correct opportunity, correct movement, yes, it will definitely give you the correct opportunity. So yes, that was the thing. And sorry. Accounts nowadays client volume or share is around 60 to 70%, and whether FII is with less than 1/4 the volume is correct, or retail segment is correct. So swings are more frequent compared to 1 or 2 years ago. Yes, even you see that 2 years ago and now, if you compare, gap ups and gap downs are like hugely coming. Like why are these happening? Why are these gap up happening? So suppose like let's discuss today. So if this gap up did not come, okay, so then I mean, everyone was sure about like the big players positions. Okay, what they did yesterday was very clear, and they were present at 18,100 put writing positions. So sorry, 18,000 put writing positions, and if it opened flat today, everyone would have gone for call shots, and everyone would have gone for the FII's position. So after gap up, now people becomes like more greedy that why would we short 18,000? We have 18,100. So that's what happens. Like they take their profits overnight. So they're not letting the retail traders take the advantage. Like even if you see the Nifty move, so it went up and then down and then up. Okay. So if you just sit with your position throughout the day, you won't gain much. Okay, because you'll see that you are gaining, and then after that you are losing. Your all gains are wiped out, and again then you see some gains again. So again, I mean, the thing is that after this gap up, the moves are not like huge. But yes, in Bank Nifty today, the move was the downward move was huge because they had to save their call writing positions, which were going at a very huge loss. Okay, so yes, and you see that don't follow the client. So always you see the like on Friday everyone discussed about put buying, and on Monday it went up. Okay, it was not actual put buying as we discussed. It was the hedging positions for the futures long. So that's what happens. Like don't follow. I don't see the data. I just see FII's data. At max I see PropDex data. I don't even look at there, because what happens if you see everything, you will get confused. Because ultimately, if someone is long, then someone is short. So overall, the day, I mean, it has to balance out. So, I mean, volume share in derivative segment. Okay, volume in derivative segment. What do you mean by that? In option chain, if you say, then again I am saying that look, the volume concept in option chain is totally different. If the volume is less, it's good. Okay, so even if you like, I was noticing here, that is at 18,100 in Nifty. So the volume here 18,100, even sometimes I was looking at 18,200. So the same learning concept which I posted on Twitter yesterday, the same thing was happening. Okay, so the put writers were, I mean, were still intact. Okay, so the volume was like very less, and from there where this learning thing. So those who haven't checked, so please do go and check how to catch whether the big players are exchanging or they're leaving their positions there. Okay, so yes, I saw that. Yes, no, I mean the volume was very fine. The volume was not very much, and yes, I mean before the sharp fall. Okay, and even after the sharp fall, I saw that the volume was still supporting, and so the big players were still present there. Okay, so that's the thing. Like even if you, let's notice 18,100. Okay, so as you can see, this column is the volume data. Okay, so here 18,100, the volume is 18,100 here. Yes, so 28 lakhs, and the volume here is 26 lakhs. But we have to also check the change in OI. So the change in OI is huge here. So this is mainly done when the change in OI is the same. So during the intraday, it's sometimes you'll see that on both the sides the OI change is the same. So it's mainly helpful during that time. But yes, let's come to 18,200. Okay, so 18,200. If you see, the OI change is 18,200 would be a very good example. So 18,200, check the OI change is in lakhs. It's it's 13.7 lakhs. Okay, put side, and the volume is, as you can see, almost 12 lakhs. Okay, so change in OI is 13.7 lakhs, but the volume is 12 lakhs. Okay, Now let's come to the call side. Change in OI is 11.2 lakhs, but the volume you see it's 32 lakhs. Okay, so this is where you get to know, like 11.2 lakhs and 13.7 lakhs, almost like, yes, it's more than 2 lakhs, but you see that you can still compare, like now compare the volumes. The volume is like more than like 3 times. Okay, sorry, not more than 3 times, more than 2 times. Okay, so you can say more than 2.5 times, right? So now you know that, yes, so these players are very much like they are sticking to their positions. Okay, they are not exchanging. But here 18,200, you see they have already exchanged their positions, okay, with the with the retailers or whoever it is. Okay, so whoever was called short here, the big guys, they have shifted, they have exchanged their position. So that's how you get to know. Yes, I mean volume is equal to open interest and not daily traded volume. Sorry for not saying it. No, volume is not open interest. Open interest is like, suppose, let me give you one example. So suppose I and you are making a contract. Okay, so volume is the number of traded contracts. Okay, so suppose I and you made one contract. Suppose no one is making any contract at 18,500 tomorrow. I and you made a contract, so at 18,500 call side. So then volume will be 1. Okay, and then we kept our position. But again another 2 guys came, and suppose at just, since the OI gets updated at 3 minutes interval, so suppose we did our position, and then before the next 3 minutes 2 guys came, they opened a contract, and then they again within that 3 minutes they closed the contract. Okay, but we are still with our contracts, we are still there. So after that 3 minutes, the OI change would be 1 because only we are there, but the volume would be 3 because 1 count for our contract and 2 counts because they have made one contract and again closed one contract. So volume would be 3, but still OI change would be 1. Okay, so that's the thing, like volume always increases. And if you see that volumes important, you said volume is a normal number and change in OI is contract, that is multiply with 50, but NSE says volume and open interest. I'm not getting your point here. Like, you should understand what is volume and what is this thing, that is I multiply it with by 50 so that like it it basically looks good to me, like to calculate in lakhs, because I followed the old website. Okay, so I was following the old website where the OI change used to come in lakhs, so I got used to that, so that's why I multiply it with 50. Okay, so yes, Skadosh, markets are moving more during after hours nowadays, very little chance during exactly, that's what I said, that they are just taking gap up and then or whichever side, like tomorrow also there would be, if there is some gap up, and then what would you do? If you are taking call shots, Nifty would come down or the index would come down. And if you're taking after the gap up, you're doing put shots, then if the chances that the index would come down. And if you're going for call writing also, then also after gap up, if some up move comes, then also your call writing positions are getting risky. So only overnight positions are going profitable. So even like the overnight positions that I told. Okay, so yes, one thing, so the overnight positions that I told on Friday and as well as on Monday, so like I took them, and I am like almost I have made 7%. So in just these overnight positions. Otherwise, if I would have taken during the day I wouldn't have got much. Okay, but that's what you can do, nothing. But I did not take any position today because the thing is that today tomorrow we have this Fed interest rate hike, so during these times, no, I shouldn't take any risk. I remember once Nifty came down to 17,800 and FIIs were having put trading positions at 18,000, and then there was a sharp up move in the morning. So that's the thing, like I don't want to take any risks. The FIIs can have a huge loss and still recover, but my positions would be risky. Yeah, but volume is also in number of contracts है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग. आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं अगर मतलब वॉल्यूम इज द नंबर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ट्रेडेड. ओके, so it doesn't have to do anything with the OI change, like it has to do because the OI change is showing you, but it's not showing you exactly the number of like even like in between those 3 minutes someone came, opened and closed, open position and closed it, so it's not affecting the change in OI, you see. So but it's affecting the volume, so that's why the volume the volume variable is there. Overnight positions with naked call buying is more of a gamble. Yes, I don't go for these option buyings overnight. If I go for put trading positions or call trading positions. If you are a seller, it's still much better. Yes, yeah, overnight seller. So the thing is that, yes, again, so if you want to go for expiry, so again, oh, that's what you are saying, that I multiplied like, no, wait, just a second. Volume here. Oh, that, yes, yes, my bad. Like, yeah, in volume in lakhs, in my setup, it's 597 lakhs and yes. So yeah, so you see that even if I multiply with 50, still like the thing would be the ratio. You see, my point was to show you the ratio of the volumes. Though the OI changes, you see that only 2 lakhs contracts more, but so if you take the ratio of the OI and take the ratio of the volumes, now you can compare easily, like so multiplying with 50 doesn't change the ratio. So my point was to show you that the OI change is just 2 lakhs more on the put side, but the volume is 3 times. Okay, so not 3 times, almost more than 2.5 times. Okay, so that was my point. Is it now clear? So my point was to show you that when this happens, that huge volume you see, so then you can understand the exchange is happening or has happened. So yes, that's the thing. Okay, so yeah, if you multiply this by 50, it's 1600 lakhs, almost 1600 lakhs. So yeah, that's the thing. So I hope it's clear. The point is clear, like how to catch during the intraday, whether they are shifting their call writing positions or not. So yes, if you have any further questions, then I'll continue, or I think I have answered all the queries and all the questions. So yes, if you want, you can join our private Telegram channel as well as the derivatives indicators, and also like you can follow me on Twitter for such market updates. Yes, God, thank you. Anyways, old website is not working now, and both volume and change OI to. Yes, absolutely. Like yes, I do agree. So the thing is that I just wanted to make my point. So yes, Kadosh, yeah. So you are also a member. So how did you enjoy today? So Please see my earlier comment on Friday. FII bought puts. Last question, please. Yes. No, no, no. Yes, that's the thing. On Friday, just go and check the video. I clearly told that everyone was shouting FIIs bought puts, but no, it was done for hedging purpose of this put writing positions as well as futures long positions. And you see, that's what happened on Monday. Okay, so I made it very clear that there are various ways to see the EOD data. So now today EOD data, you can see that like very well you can see both the side move has to happen. Where did it? Yeah. Okay, both the side moves has to happen. So I would again say the gist of this video, that is, wait, don't just jump in the morning. Okay, option buyers, I would strictly say don't come in the market for these 2 days. Expiry, so don't come, and also tomorrow don't come. So there is no point in losing money. You got huge benefits on Friday, Monday, as well as today. So no need for another 2 days, you can miss out. But if you still are going to come, if you get the signal, just go for it and just get the move and just close. Don't wait for the again next candle to go for the same side. Okay, next candle just suddenly reverse. So be very, very careful. And also the levels that I've shared, so do respect the levels. If the indexes are near to the level, wait for the level to either break or to act as support or resistance. Okay, then only take the trade. And yes, so the thing is that if it rises, then especially Bank Nifty, if there is a rise, just go for call shots for the call writers. And Nifty, if there is a fall, then go for put writing position. So these are the things that mainly would be useful tomorrow. But again, don't jump in early morning. Okay, so still I'll analyze what the new fresh positions are forming as I do in the very first 3, 6 or maximum 9 minutes. I try to get the fresh positions that are formed. So I'll try my best always, but again, so because like what happens is people will be fooled. Okay, so anyhow they would try to fool us. So better to watch what they are doing and after that take the trade. So selling 1800 500 calls is a good idea for expiry. Absolutely. And hedging with a call buy. So 18,500, let's look what is the premium currently. So 18,400 they have currently sold, like the big guys have sold here. So 18,500, if you're just going for if there is some gap up tomorrow, so this 3 rupees can go to 5 rupees. Okay, but again you can't hedge it, because what would you hedge it with? You can hedge it with 1 rupee, or if you are hedging it with more than, I don't think you would get the benefit of like you won't get much premium to it. So that's the main point. So okay, again, so you are in the Telegram channel, so I'll just mention. So tomorrow, don't worry. So I'll just mention. Oh, where did your comment go? So yes, Kadosh. So I'll just mention tomorrow. Okay, so don't worry. On the Telegram channel, as I do. So yeah, no point in hedging there. So I'll just explain what's happening tomorrow morning, so that you can go with your writing positions. Yeah. So I think I have answered all the questions. Any other queries or questions? Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed my analysis. So please do like the video. And yeah, hi Prajwal, I think I am pronouncing it correctly, Prajwal Nail. So yeah, so you are expecting up move? Yes, XGX Nifty is indicating that, but yes, please be sure that both side moves are going to come. So yes, please do like the video if you liked my analysis. So even yesterday's video, just go and check. Whatever we expected, so that happened. So yes, if you are liking my analysis, please do like and share, so that others, and share it with others who can take the benefit also. So thanks for watching, and yeah, keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.